Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing wedding cake. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Turn to the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Yeah guys, preparing this wedding cake is going to be 4 steps. 4 steps. This is the pan that I'm going to use. Each of this pan, like this one, is going to be 8 inches, 7 inches, 6, then 5. So it's going to be a very big cake. Yeah. And I'm using my eggs. These are the eggs here that I'm going to use. Then my butter, I've already started mixing it. Because here in this part of the country we have there is a problem with electricity, so we are using hand to mix it. So I've started mixing it. It's a bit tedious, so I'll mix it, prepare all the butters and keep before mixing other recipes. So I'll be showing you bit by bit or step by step as I'm doing it. As I told you, we are using hands, so all my children are involved. My children are involved. So we are going to mix. And you know what? We are mixing we are mixing 4 kg of butters with hand. So I've started mixing 1 kg. Each rubber, as you are seeing, so basin is 1 kg. So I will finish mixing everything before starting the baking. I'm going to add my brownie.